In a narration found in Sunan Abu Dawood, number 4815, the Holy Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him, advised that people must fulfill the rights of the public road when they meet up in public. The first thing advised in this narration is that Muslims should lower their gaze and not look at things which are unlawful to them. In fact, one should protect each organ of their body, such as their tongue and ears, in the same way. This is achieved when one avoids the things which do not concern them. The next thing advised in this narration is that they should keep their harm away from others. This includes both harm in the form of speech, such as foul language and backbiting, and harm caused through physical actions. In fact, a person cannot be a true believer and Muslim until they keep their physical and verbal harm away from people and their possessions. This has been confirmed in a narration found in Sunan an-Nasai, number 4998. A Muslim should instead assist others in public, according to their means. If they cannot do this, then the least they can do is keep their physical and verbal harm away from others. The next thing mentioned in the main narration under discussion is that one should return the Islamic greeting of peace to others. This includes initiating the Islamic greeting of peace through one's words and showing peace to others in one's actions and other speech. It is pure hypocrisy to extend peace to others through one's words and then harm them through their actions and other speech. Finally, the main narration under discussion advises Muslims to command good and forbid evil. This should be carried out according to the 3 levels discussed in a narration found in Jami' at-Tirmidhi, number 2172. The highest level is to do it with one's actions, within the bounds of Islam. The next level is to do it with one's words, and the lowest level is to do it with one's heart, meaning, secretly. This duty must always be fulfilled according to Islamic knowledge and in a gentle way. Where possible, this should be done privately in order to avoid embarrassing others, as this can often cause one to reject good advice. This should also be done at the appropriate time. For example, after an angry person has calmed down, as good advice at the wrong time is often ineffective. Often Muslims advise the correct thing, but as they do it in a harsh way, they only drive people further away from the obedience of Allah, the Exalted. It is therefore vital to combine correct knowledge with kind behavior so that the good advice affects others in a positive way. Chapter 3 Ali Imran, verse 159.
So by mercy from Allah, O Muhammad, you were lenient with them. And if you had been rude in speech and harsh in heart, they would have disbanded from about you.
As these characteristics are difficult to adopt and implement publicly, one should choose the safer option and minimize socializing with others in public, as it often leads to more harm than good. To conclude, it is important to note that a Muslim should adopt and show these characteristics towards all people, irrespective of their faith.